sweetheart. V is 7 months old today. Yay! Oh, you look at that little foot. Oh, the baby foot is my favorite. Hi. You gonna eat your sloth? Does she taste good? You silly kid. Gosh, you're pretty. Look, Juno. Hi, puppy. Come here. Oh, you love your puppy, huh, honey? Hi, Junebug. Oh, hi, Sheldon. Sweet little kitty. Oh, hi, honey. Juno. Juniper Joy. Oh. Hi, baby. Oh. Oh, you're so pretty. Juno, you love your baby. Oh, just a girl. There's your kid. Oh, that sloth must taste extra good today, huh? Yum. Ugh. Say, yeah, I'm 7 months old. I'm a big kid. What you doing, June? What are you doing? Oh, Sheldon. What a sweetheart. Say hi, everybody. My sloth tastes good, and I got the cutest little baby toes.